You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. I want to encourage you guys to join me on the live show because I know, little secret, there's some giveaways coming. We're giving away an oven. We're going to be giving away a wireless meat thermometer only on the live show. So, become a member of the channel. Join me in the live show. I'll see you there and be watching for the giveaways, okay? Right now, I'm just kind of doing close to like a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. We're going to be reviewing a deep fryer today. But first, I want to marinate my chicken. And then tomorrow, right, honey? Tomorrow? Yeah. Tomorrow, we are going to break out the merchandise. Okay? Come on in close, I'll show you. Alright, guys. We're going to start with the buns for the chicken sandwich. We got the chickens. We got infamous pickle juice right here. That's what we're soaking our chicken in. And pepper jack cheese. Okay, gentlemen. Listen to your wives when they talk to you. Because my wife came up with this great idea. Putting the chicken back in the pickle jar. Do I feel stupid or what? This is absolutely perfect. This is absolutely going in our refrigerator, and I will see you tomorrow. Alright guys, we marinated this chicken overnight in pickle juice. We're going to now put all the chicken out of the pickle juice in this bag and replace it with buttermilk. And let it soak in buttermilk 1 to 2 hours, and then we are going to start cooking. So, let me get the chicken out for you. Alright, now, let this marinate in buttermilk for 1 to 2 hours. Throw in the fridge so there's no bacteria forming or anything. And then we're going to start looking at the cooker while it's marinating. They sent me another product. They did the pizza oven, remember? Okay, this is the deep fryer. They sent this to me, and I don't know if they're called Vivor or Bevor. I would think Vivor. But I made a note on my phone. Ask them the pronunciation. So there's the spelling right there. V-E-V-O-R. Vevor. And that's what I'm calling them today. So let's open this up and take a look at what kind of a deep fryer they're using. What did I get myself into? It's like I'm opening a restaurant. Thanks guys for sending this. This is cool. This is huge. I looked at the price. The price is great. But the beauty of this is it's dual. So like you can do real french fries over here and chicken over here, or chicken over here and waffle fries. We have some waffle fries in the freezer, but those aren't mine, so I can't grab them. But look at this. Look how big this basket is. It sits right in there. The heating element. Cover it up. You don't have to use both sides. You may just want to do, like today, we're just doing one side. We're going to do the chicken. But both sides have their own cord. What? That's crazy. That's amazing. You got your temperature dial right here. This is nice. This is better than I thought. We opened the box. I'm like, eh. But then I saw this and I thought, oh my goodness. So let's get this filled up with some oil, plugged in, heated, and then we'll put our batter together. Alright guys, we're only going to do it on one side. Realize the other side can go at the same time. They have separate power sources, so you're going to need 2 different plugs or an extension cord that has like 2 plug-ins. In goes the oil. So I got 3 scoops of flour. The ratio is 3 flour, whether it's a cup or a tablespoon, whatever. Alright, 3 to 1 to the cornstarch. So we have 3 scoops of flour, 1 scoop of cornstarch, and I'm gonna grab some of this, make it. There we go. It's great. There. Might as well finish off that jar, huh? And then get that all mixed up. That's our batter. Just waiting for the oil to heat, and we're ready to go. Alright guys, just grab your chicken out of the buttermilk. Throw it in here. Give it a little bit of tossing around. Get it nice and coated. So now it's time to put them in the basket. Basket is already under oil. The oil is hot. Let's give it a try. far so good. Wow, they're nice crispy. We checked the temperature, they're perfect. Okay, get that on there, get that on there. You gotta have the Chick-fil-A sauce. The only thing we're missing is the waffle fries. I have to grab those. Alright. Take a few pickles. Put those on there. There you go. Hold on a second. A little more sauce. There we go. Put that right on top. Beautiful. That thing rocks. Did I have to say it rocks? That thing rocks. Thank you for sending that to the show. It's Vivor, I'm sure. I'll find out for sure on the next video. But I'm going to give it a try. Look at that. The natural hot seasoning. Oh, it's so good, guys. Blows away the one I had at Hardee's. Real good. You guys gotta try this. Get you one of those. I got a link down below. They're a little over $100. It's mind-blowing how big it is. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I love you.